AI represents a risk, whether it be misuse of AI for like disinformation campaigns, for example, or, malicious code getting out there. But then there's also, which I think is probably, it's part of the exact same risk that they already state for over-reliance on cloud vendors of like, look, it's Google Cloud, Azure, or AWS. And that's 3 companies that are like 90 whatever percent of cloud providers for all these different services. And if something happens to that, we're in trouble. But in terms of like, let's call it US based or US friendly big companies, there's, Meta, there's a few, but not a ton. And that's going to show up in these filings of there is risk there, especially whenever you're pouring in roughly infinite money into let's make some new models. And maybe they're not going to see returns on that. And maybe the bubble will pop at some point. And then maybe folks will get in trouble.
But I also think it's more about, as these companies and every company is relying more and more on AI, I don't know that it's really different than the humans they're relying on before. They make mistakes too. But
Sure.
Large mistakes are going to be made in accounting, in press releases, in managing social media stuff. Like, there's going to be giant mess ups that are going to happen, and they happen because the AI made a decision and ran with it.
But people make those same problems
absolutely
now. Right.
And potentially they're making less
Potentially.